everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and I'm here to share a project, actually 2 cards that I made for a challenge over at Paper Smooches, and actually love their product a lot. So let me show you what I used for this. So I used this Happy Days, or Oh Happy Day by Echo Park. I just got this recently. Really cute spring paper pad. I used that one. I used this, which is the Simple Stories Domestic Bliss. And I used my new favorite die, this marquee die by Slimline die from Whimsy. So that's what I used, along with the Baby Birds stamp set, the Kindness Stampler, Fun and Flirty, and Be Mine from Paper Smooches. So the first one is this Slimline card. This uses that Echo Park Oh Happy Day paper pad. And I used Thank You from the Bottom of My Heart, which is from Fun and Flirty, and this super adorable Be Mine. I could swear that I had the dies somewhere for this Be Mine. I cannot find them anywhere. So I just fussy cut them. So they still look really cute. So anyway, here you go. Isn't that adorable? And then this, oh, I'm sorry, I do have the dies for this. These are the ones I could swear I had the dies and I can't find. This is Thanks, You Are One in a Million. So I used the, this thanks right here, and then I just used You Are One in a Million to stack my sentiment. And then I colored my cute birds up, and I glittered the nose and the wing, and this uses that Domestic Bliss paper pad. And I felt like this paper kind of had a little bit of a tropical vibe, which is why I used it. And I love how it came out. Just really cute and fun. I'm loving Slimline cards. They're just like my new jam right now. And so here are the cards that I made. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Creating the Heart.